Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LRC. In my earlier video of LRC, I was showing you a huge breakout from a very big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And right now we can see on this long-term time frame, after this breakout, the price line is two-time rejected by this long-term resistance of 47.5 cents. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for LRC that I shared with my members on 19th of April 2023. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I would like to say you sorry, and I would like to request you that there are tons of messages I'm receiving from YouTube followers and members, Teammate, Hive, Publish OX followers, and Patreon followers and members, TradingView followers, and also receiving a lot of emails as well. So I'm trying to reply to every comment. I've set the priorities, and my first priority is to reply to my members on Patreon and on YouTube, and then I reply to other comments and messages and emails as well. So sometimes it is possible that some comments or messages can be left to reply. Therefore, please try to understand and ignore if it happens. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I would like to give a big shout out to Martin, who diverted my attentions towards the big inverse head and shoulder pattern that has been formed on the weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder formation. Right now, you can see that the price line is forming this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the neckline is exactly almost at the same level that I was telling you. It's approximately at 47.5 cents. This is the right shoulder, by the way, you can see. And the price line is rejected by this shoulder once again. I'll come back to this chart, but before that, I would like to share with you my most recent trade signal for LRC token that I shared with my members few days back on 19th of April. And this move is, by the way, still in play. That is the formation of a harmonic bullish reversal cipher setup that the price line has formed on the daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line is still moving inside this potential reversal zone. And soon I'm expecting that it can start the next price reversal from here. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal cipher move. And this was almost that 50% pump from this buying zone. You can see it was completing this final leg of the cipher on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I shared this idea on 25th of Feb 2023 with my members. And I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down. And once this leg will be completed, then we can expect the next price reversal from here. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped slightly more down than this potential reversal zone, but recovered very soon. And then we had almost 50% pump from this potential reversal zone, from the bottom of this potential reversal zone up till this high. And by the way, this rally was ended here on this candlestick on 14th of April 2023, and the price and again moved down. And during this move to the downside with Bitcoin pair, it has formed another harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. With US dollar pair, this is a perfect Garley move. And with Bitcoin pair, it has formed a bullish cipher move. And I'm expecting same as like this move, it can start another price reversal from this potential reversal zone. And this is, by the way, this can be a bigger price reversal than the previous one. I'm expecting almost 71.5%. Maybe it will be more than that. Now, let me to take you here on this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that recently we have broken out the resistance of this very big falling wedge pattern, and we two times got rejected by this long-term resistance that I was showing you in my previous video as well. That is at 47.5 cents, and previously we can see that this level has been breaking as a resistance here back in October 2017, as a support here, almost as a support here as well. And after that, you can see for several weeks or months, it has been breaking as a support here. And after breaking it down, you can see it is flipped into a very, very strong resistance. And since after June 2022, it is working as a very long-term resistance. And recently, this is the second time you can see after breaking out this resistance of the wedge. This is the second time we have been rejected by this resistance of 47.5 cents. And at the same time, it has also formed this inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder formation. And this is the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, exactly at 47.5 cents. And in case of breaking out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the target will be here. That will be approximately at $1.21. And now if we take a look at the target for this big falling wedge pattern, because we have already broken out the resistance of this big falling wedge pattern, and sooner or later the price can hit that target that is here at the top of the wedge, that is between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.